Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel DD Electrical. In this video we are going to discuss about an introduction to power system. Power system is a very important topic in electrical engineering. It is a core subject of electrical engineering. So you must have a deep knowledge about power system. So please watch this video till the end. Let's start. So first of all, what is power system? Power system is basically a network which consists of generation, transmission and distribution, switchgear protection and utilization of electrical energy. It has some stages. A power system has the following stages. It mainly divided into four parts. Number 1, generation of electrical power. Number 2, transmission and distribution of electrical power. Number 3, switchgear and protection, and number 4, utilization. Number 1, generation of electric power. In this stage we will study that how to produce electricity in power plant or generating plant, and number 2 is transmission and distribution of electric power. In this stage we will study that how the electric power is transmitted or distributed from one place to another place by the help of conductor. And number 3, switchgear and protection. Switchgear and protection is basically studying of protecting device like circuit breaker, relays, isolator, and transformer. There are many equipments that in that stage we will study that how to protect the power system from fault. This is the very important part. And number 4 is utilization. In this stage we will study the uses of electrical energy like illumination, traction or etc. So these are the basic structure of power system. Next, this is a single line diagram of AC power system. Single line diagram shows a typical AC power supply system from generating station to distribution of supply to the consumer. So this single line diagram divided into some parts like generating station, primary transmission, secondary transmission, primary distribution, secondary distribution. So first, generating station. In generating station, where electrical power is produced by three-phase alternator. In India, the generating voltage is 11 kV. Due to the economical consideration, the transmission voltage is stepped up to the 132 kV or 220 kV at the power station with the help of step up transformer. Now one question is arise that why do you need to step up the voltage? The reason is as electricity is transmitted over long distance, therefore inherent energy losses is occur. So higher the voltage, lower the current. The lower current means lower resistance losses is occur in conductor. And the another reason is the high voltage also increase the efficiency of the power system. So that's why we step up the voltage. Next, primary transmission. This 132 kV or 220 kV high voltage power is transmitted by three-phase three-wire overhead system to the receiving station. In next, secondary transmission. At receiving station, this high voltage 132 kV or 220 kV power is stepped down to 33 kV or 66 kV and transmitted to different substation by three-phase three-wire overhead system. Now coming to the primary distribution. In substation, the voltage stepped down to 33 kV to 11 kV. This 11 kV three-phase three-wire system runs to big consumer or distribution substation. Next, secondary distribution. In secondary distribution system, the voltage step down to 400 volt three-phase four-wire system. In this secondary distribution, we can use three-phase four-wire system is used for secondary distribution. This distributed to single-phase residential house or three-phase supply directly. So this is the basic structure of power system. So I hope you will understand this. So please subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos.